So if you've never done your taxes, like, your situation you're in is just going to depend on what type of work you've done and what your circumstances. And also the main thing is, do you have any notices or letters from the IRS, like, right now that you need to focus on, like if they're trying to levy your bank account or do anything like that, any collection activity. And if you're self-employed and you have a lot of 1099 income on your wage and income transcript on your social security file, then you know that it's somewhat likely that the IRS is going to let you know that at some point about the unfiled returns and expect them. And you also have likely a good amount of penalties and interest, because that 1099 income, you pay no federal withholdings or didn't pay that federal tax. So whenever you report it on your tax return, you're going to owe all that tax. If you're a W-2 employee, you likely have prepayments, withholdings on your tax return, on your W-2 throughout the year, so you may not owe that much. And if you're self-employed too, you can also take expenses whenever you do the tax return. IRS won't have any record of the expenses that you have. So to actually take credit for those, you have to actually do the tax return. But I have no idea what your situation is. If you've never filed your taxes, it's going to depend. Everyone's going to be different. Some people, it's going to be a bigger deal that they're not filing the filing requirement. Some people, it's not going to be as big a deal because they may not owe the IRS that much, or maybe the IRS owes them and they've been missing out on their refund. So yeah, it depends. Hope that helps.